Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show you how to use Airalo on iPhone. You can see here I am in the official help page of Airalo. If you want to install or use your eSIM Airalo on your iPhone, then you will first need to log in your Airalo account. Then go to my eSIMs. Then look for the eSIM you want to install. Then tap the details button. Then tap install eSIM/access data. Then tap the manual tab at the top. Then you should be able to see SMDP plus address and activation code. Take note of this or keep this page open so you can copy the details later. In the second step, installation. This is the manual method. First, open your device and go to settings. Then tap cellular or mobile. Then tap add cellular plan or add mobile data plan. Then select enter details manually. You can be asked to enter SMDP plus address, activation code, confirmation code if available on your Airlo account. Then choose a label or customized label for your eSIM. Then under the default line page, select your eSIM for cellular data only. Then you should see your new eSIM under the cellular data or mobile data plans. Here is also an option of QR code method. For that, you can need to follow these steps. First, on your device and go to settings. Then tap on cellular or mobile. Then tap add cellular plan or add mobile data plan. In the fourth step, use your printed QR code or another device that display the QR code to scan your eSIM QR code. That's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Till then, bye.